Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm going to do something a little different today, not a tutorial, but instead I would like to show you the Christmas presents I received from my wonderfully talented and extremely generous friend, Elizabeth of StudioE. I'll put her blog link below so you can see some of her amazing creations. I'm sure you've heard me talk about her before. And before Christmas, I received a very compact box filled with minis and mini possibilities. I was going to take photos and upload to Instagram, but since I'm so overdue on this channel, I thought I would share it here. I've opened it before, obviously. I couldn't resist. So let's get started. Now, first thing you see here are some skeletons, and I was going through a phase of doing something I don't really enjoy a lot, which is Halloween, but I did some Halloween lamps and I needed some bony structures, and look at what she found for me. I couldn't find them anywhere. These are just perfect, and there you go. That was pretty cool to get. Then she also knows that I've been having fun with some plastics, and here's something I don't see very often, these colored ones. Can't wait to start playing with that. And these and some clear little ones. I don't know if you've seen some of my faux glass, but it starts off with some plastic. So I will be creating, oh, and some more plastic, and this is it. Some of these little guys. And so thank you. Let's go on to, a little tea cart. Can't wait to decorate this and see what I can come up with. Also, it's quite inspiring for me because I would love to make one just like it, and so I can actually see how this one was constructed and go from there. The other thing that she sent me was this. Now, I have not played with this before. You heat this. This is a molding compound for making molds. I've not used it, but I've been curious about it, so thank you for that, Elizabeth, because I will probably have to ask you how it's used. Can't read the language, and I know you've probably used it in the past. The other thing, let me see, next, and these I love, stained glass. Look at that. This is called, this is called Lovebirds. But anyway, it's beautiful. Intend to frame that. Here's another one that is it's from Illumina Craft, and it's a rose garden. It'll be perfect. But look at this one. This one is incredible. Look at the little detail. I think these are printed, but I'm not sure, so I'll do some digging into that, and hopefully you can see some of the detail I'm getting from here. Oh, and there's maybe it's shiny, can't tell. And this I've played with, and I have a few of these, so thank you. This comes in handy. I do play with this a lot. And and this lovely little wooden box that holds a little treasure. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So finely detailed, and look at that in the back, and it's got a lovebird on there too. I don't know if I'm showing you correctly to the camera because I'm using a different setup right now. And then here she also knows that I am playing around with quarter scale. I'll be showing you that soon enough. Quarter scale items for sale on my website at Bominis. But look at this tiny little wooden vase. And never can get enough books. Never can get enough, especially Christmas books. Love it. Thank you. I'm not sure about this one. I think it's a Trivet, or it could be, yeah, it looks like a Trivet to me. I'll have to get Elizabeth to give me more information on that one. And it's been soldered on. See that? To the kitchen. Oh, and then there is a light. This is an orange light, which will come in handy when we do some fireplace kind of items. and also for Halloween. There you go. For fireplace, it's great. Did I leave this on? Oh, no, 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 Fatima. There you go. Undo it. I've taken it apart because that's what I do. I like to see how things work. And then I will show you these two lamps that I thought would be awesome if I could. Look at that. They obviously can carry electricity, so I will be changing this little plug. I don't think will work in our system, but I will be changing that. Look at it. I absolutely love the details. So Victorian. I might have to find a spot for it in my dollhouse, and I've got two of them. So maybe I can do some little designs there, maybe a little rose, and there's two of them. Elizabeth, I really want to do something for that. And as if that wasn't enough, handmade by Nikki Naki New. Amazing dish. Look at it. It's reminiscent of Stokesy ware, which I love, and I do have a lot of blue and white. I have to handle that very carefully. I'm all thumbs sometimes with minis. And there's more. There's more. Oh, there's more. That doesn't stop there. A little jam jar. And a little tart. It looks like one of hers. The tart shell is great. I love that. Again, how do I put this in a house that's already jam-packed? I will find a place. And a little, almost looks like, you know, bone or, what is that? It's not bone. Tusk kind of, but it's plastic, that I can use as a decoration. And I've been saving this to show you. Look at this. I do believe this is one of hers. I will find out more about it, obviously, and I'm sure she'll comment on here. So Elizabeth, if you tune in and can give me more information on that on the write-up below, would be great. That's not it yet. And this treasure box, that, look at it. Even the box is amazing. I love it. And filled with goodies. Now I have to tell you, I've seen all of this before, but I had to put it all back in here. Look at this. It's a brooch. I might just leave it as a brooch because I love brooches and wear it for next Christmas since it's too late for now. Little stocking with all the little goodies in it. And it is a brooch, like I said. And look at this. A crocheted granny square blanket. I must find a spot. A cozy chair folded up. I have one of these already, but there's never enough. When it comes to blankies, I put it in here. And a little tiger. There you go. And this is just a little box, I guess, if you wanted to put a little treasure here, but it's got a little shelf. Look at it. I'm not sure if this is one of Bunny's makes. I don't remember seeing if she's done these before, but I adore them. And now for the pièce de résistance she has been playing with, and I say playing because I think she's been having a lot of fun. I've got one of the little bottle caps has come off. These are special oils, infused oils. This one has flowers and she makes labels. And here's I believe this would be maybe olive oil with herbs inside. And this one has lost its little cap, but I have it here, so I'll be putting it in here. Sorry, I should have checked this out before showing it to you, but it's easy enough fix. We do this a lot, especially me, who's all thumbs most of the time. So look at that. She'll be selling these at our show, and these are made of resin. I am told that she has made tons of these, so hopefully she'll put them up for sale on her Etsy one day, or if not in your local, you'll catch them at our show when that happens, hopefully soon. And look at the lovely little treasure box, the little trunk, perfect scale. And then trays with goodies. These are all made by Elizabeth. some cake slices, tarts, little lemon tart, looks like a little lemon tart here, some goodies there, and another little tart there. I have to find a space for that on my Christmas house because it's cranberry glass and I absolutely love it. Anyway, I thought I'd show you this because sometimes it's just nice to sit back and not have to worry about making a little tutorial. I think I've got everything here. I hope I didn't take anything out and that I've forgotten to put it back in this batch. But oh my gosh, thank you so much. You're so generous. I must tell you that I was not half as generous with my shipment to her, and I hope that I can make up for that in the near future. Hope you all enjoyed this, and I will be back with a tutorial next time you see me on this channel. Bye for now. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see when next videos are coming up.